Welcome to Adverbs of Frequency. When we want to say how often we do things or how often things happen, we use adverbs of frequency. I always wake up early. 100%, I always wake up early. I usually wake up early. 90%, I usually wake up early. Not every day, but most days. I sometimes wake up early. 50%, I sometimes wake up early. Not always. I never wake up early. 0%, I never wake up early. In this lesson, we have learnt I always have breakfast, 100%. I usually have breakfast, 90%. I sometimes have breakfast, 50%. I never have breakfast, 0%.